John here, and today I have another unboxing for you. This time it's the Samsung Galaxy Tab S9, just the base model, not the Plus or the Ultra. I shouldn't say base model because this has 256 gigabytes of storage and 12 gigabytes of RAM, but it is the base model, the smallest model, the 11-inch. And I also have a case that I'm going to be unboxing. I'm actually going to do that first. It's called the Outdoor Cover. I've never had one before, but they're running a promotion where I could pick $50 worth of accessories, and this was $60, so I got it for $10 basically. So I'm going to open that first. Here it is. I haven't even looked to see how. Okay, there's tape here. Let's see. Did I not go all the way through? Guess not. Here it is. Put that up there. Okay, so here it is. I guess it's kind of a rugged case. That's what I assumed by the name of it. It has an interesting stand. It's sort of a hollow stand, which so you could use it as a handle if you're holding it. I kind of like that. It covers the buttons. Yeah, that's pretty much all I have to say about that. It feels so small. I haven't used a tablet this small in a while. All right, now here's the main event. Excuse the kitties. They want to be in the video, I guess. I cut down the sides where there was no tape, so now I'm going to cut down the sides where there is tape. Okay. Very small box. There's nothing in here but a cable. We already know that. Let's see. So, okay, this is different. Normally Samsung tablets come in this little canvas type pouch, but this looks like it's just like everybody else does. It still feels a little more substantial than your typical plastic covering, but it's not like the canvas bag they usually come in. I'm thinking just going to, I don't want to tear it too much, but all right, just slide it out. Hopefully you can just slide it out. Yeah. All right, so I guess, okay, here we go. So here's the back of it. With the back facing you, the S Pen goes along the top. And, well, let's get that out, because I said this only came with a cable, and I lied. It also comes with an S Pen. I was so upset about the charging brick not being included that I forgot. It comes with an S Pen. So here's the S pin. Gonna magnetize it to the back. That's where that goes. And then to the right of that is the camera bump. It's just a single camera this year. There were dual cameras last year, but they downgraded it. I don't care, honestly. I don't think I've once used the camera. Maybe for a lookout or something like that, but definitely don't take pictures with it. So I'll describe the device. So along the top, all the buttons are along the top and they're on the left side. To the very left is the power, or what you'd call side key. To the right of that is the volume buttons. And I like to say on Samsung devices they're backwards, so where you would think the left should be volume down and the right should be volume up, it's actually the reverse. So I'm holding it in landscape and the buttons are along the top. This feels like a microphone near the right side. I have no idea what it is, but there's dual speakers on the left sides, or left side and right side. There's two sets of speakers, so when you hold it, yes, you are going to block the lower speakers, but you won't be blocking the upper speakers. And along the bottom is just the keyboard attachment area, and on the left side is the USB-C port. So going to, did I already put my pen away? Yeah, I did. Put that up there. So I'll just turn it on. See what we got here. I do like the size of it. It feels so small. I'm not so let's see if I can. So it is one-handed. No, I'm just kidding. I can hold it in one hand, but it's definitely not one-handed. I would not hold it like that. Yeah, I wish Samsung made an 8-inch premium tablet, but they do not for whatever reason. So this 11-inch is gonna have to do. I did not pay attention like I should have to see if it vibrated when I turned it on, but I guess I can try again. I'm gonna see if we are here yet.
Press both side and volume up buttons quickly to use TalkBack. TalkBack on. Welcome to TalkBack. Welcome to TalkBack.
Okay.
Samsung Setup Wizard.
So let's see how these speakers do.
English, United, welcome. English, United States. Start button.
They seem to get pretty loud.
English, United.
I'm gonna turn it down.
Start button. English, United States.
All right, so I'm not gonna.
Volume set to 35%.
I'm not gonna go through the setup or anything, but I will.
Power off menu. Restart button. Power off button. Power off button.
I will turn it back on to see. Okay, it does have a haptics in it. It just vibrated when I turned it off, but I'm gonna see if it vibrates when I turn it on, because I know that's something we care about. Okay, it does. Actually, it's got a I don't want to call it cheap, but it's a loud haptics engine. Like, it probably came through in the video. I'm gonna put it in its case just to see how that is.
Welcome to TalkBack. Welcome to TalkBack. Page 1 of 5.
Turn it
TalkBack
off.
is a screen off.
All right, so I got it in the outdoor case. You know,
Screen off.
I actually
Screen off.
think I'm gonna like this case because of the stand on the back. I think, yeah, it's nice. It's shaped rectangular with rounded edges, but it's hollow, so you can grab onto it when you're holding it. So I actually do like it. You can use it as a handle. So I approve of the case. I don't know if I would not have spent $60 on it, but for $10, yeah, definitely. Okay, well, that's been the quick unboxing of the Galaxy Tab S9.